Hello everyone, this is Prince 117305 again. Just wanna share my thoughts on a recent article by Rick Reno. It's about Sergio Martinez and the opinion of Bernard Hopkins when, if ever, Canelo Alvarez and Sergio Martinez will fight, will ever fight. What will happen if the two of them will fight? Bernard Hopkins said that Canelo will beat Martinez easy. Canelo beats Martinez easily. That's what Hopkins told some reporter when he was asked what's his opinion about the two if ever they meet in the ring. Then Martinez advisor responded that he said that I respect and love Bernard Hopkins. I consider him to be a dear friend. However, I have learned over the years that you have to bet on the opposite of whatever Hopkins picks. He picked Oscar De La Hoya to easily beat Manny Pacquiao. He picked Victor Ortiz to easily beat Josecito Lopez. So I've learned that whoever Hopkins picks to win, you have to go to the opposite, with the opposite. Me, my own opinion about the matter is, after seeing Sergio Martinez got hurt or suffer a knockdown in the 12 rounds with Julio Cesar Chavez Jr. Initially, I thought that I thought Sergio Martinez handles Canelo Alvarez easily. But after seeing some flaws, or maybe it's the age of Sergio Martinez, in my own opinion, I truly believe that Canelo Alvarez have a very good chance of beating Sergio Martinez. The only problem that I have with Canelo Alvarez is he always fights. I don't know if it's his promoter or his team or Canelo himself, but he always fights with he chooses an opponent not in his own weight class. It's time for Canelo to step up, fight someone his own size, and if ever Sergio Martinez and Canelo Alvarez will fight, I hope it will be at it's either 154 or 160. But I'll rather watch the fight or be more the fight will be more interesting if it's gonna be at 160. Canelo Alvarez truly impressed me against Josecito Lopez, but we all know it's a mismatch. Everybody's rooting for an upset. Because it's a year. Some boxing fans said that this year is the year of the upset. So anyway, if Canelo Alvarez and Sergio Martinez fought each other, I think both of the guys have great chance of beating the other guy. But after seeing Sergio Martinez get stunned, buckled, and hurt, and get knocked down by Julio Cesar Chavez Jr., I am very confident that Canelo Alvarez is very capable of doing the same thing to Sergio Martinez. I got my prediction for that fight, if the fight ever happens or happen, is Canelo Alvarez by TKO, late TKO. That's it. Thank you and God bless.